You always want what you can't have, and while you have it.
Huawei's sub-brand Honor is gearing up for the launch of its Honor 30 series of smartphones on April 15, 2020 in China. The Honor 30 series will consist of two devices, Honor 30 and Honor 30 Pro. A little while ago, we came across a leak suggesting that the Honor 30 Pro would feature a 50MP primary camera. Right after that, another leak popped up, which suggested that one of the Honor 30 series devices would be powered by the Kirin 985 processor. Today, we have been able to spot the Honor 30 and the Honor 30 Pro smartphones on the Chinese TENA certification website, which has revealed most of its key specifications. Take a look at the specifications and features of the Honor 30 Pro smartphone that its TENA certification has revealed and find out what the device has in store for us. The two phones will both seemingly have a 6.57-inch 1080x2340 screen, a 3900 mAh battery, 5G support, 128 GB or 256 GB of storage, 32 MP front-facing cameras, and dimensions of 160.3 into 73.6 into 8.63 mm. Where they'll differ is in their main cameras, with the Honor 30 apparently having a 40 MP one, while the Honor 30 Pro has a 50 MP one, and in their RAM, with the Honor 30 having 8 GB and the Honor 30 Pro having either 8 GB or 12 GB. Additionally, the Honor 30 Pro has been spotted on Geekbench, a benchmarking site, which lists it as having 8 GB of RAM and a Kirin 990 chipset. We'd expect the standard Honor 30 to have that chipset too, and it's the same one as you'll find in the Huawei P40 range. We would generally take early benchmarks with a pinch of salt, but in terms of the listed specs there's nothing unusual here, and the bits in the TENA listing are very likely to be right. That means you can expect the Honor 30 and Honor 30 Pro to be very similar overall, and both to have specs that approach the Huawei P40 range and other flagships, but at a likely much lower price. Of course, Honor is owned by Huawei, which means its phones face the same major issue, namely a lack of Google apps and services, including access to the Google Play Store. That can make them a hard sell, which is a shame, because based on these leaks in previous Honor handsets, the Honor 30 range could in most other ways be among the best and best value upper mid-rangers of the year. And that's it guys, if you enjoy such tech-related leaks and rumors, then make sure to hit that subscribe button, because I will be updating you with such news. Thank you for being here. See you in the next one.